Hey there and welcome to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a cluttered TradingView chart full of indicators, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to quickly and easily remove indicators in TradingView so your charts can feel fresh and focused again. Whether you're a brand new trader or just looking to streamline your workspace, you'll know exactly how to tidy up those charts in just a few clicks by the end of this video. So let's get right to it. First, open up your browser and head over to TradingView. If this is your first time, just type Tradingview.com into your browser and hit enter. You'll want to sign in if you have an account, but you can also just explore as a guest for now. Once you're in, take a second to soak in the dashboard. It might look busy, especially if you have multiple charts or indicators set up already. But don't worry, we're going to make it a whole lot simpler. Now at the top of the homepage, you'll see a menu with different options like Products, Community, and Learn. Go ahead and click on Products. This isn't strictly necessary for everyone, but it's a handy way to get to the different charting tools TradingView offers. If you're already deep in a chart, you can skip this, but for those navigating from scratch, it's a helpful starting point. Alright, so you've made your way to your chart, the heart of TradingView. You might see several lines, colors, or boxes overlaying your price chart. These are indicators, and while they can offer tons of insight, sometimes they pile up and create more confusion than clarity. Here, the key part. To remove any of these indicators, all you need to do is click directly on the chart area, which is sometimes called the grid view. Don't worry if you're not sure what that means. It's just the main section where the price and various indicator lines appear. Right-clicking opens up a menu with several options tailored to the spot you clicked. Take a moment to scroll through the menu and spot the option that says Remove Indicator. If you've got more than one indicator you want to clear out at once, you might also see an option like Remove 2 indicators or something similar, depending on how many you have displayed. Go ahead and select the appropriate remove option. Don't stress if you accidentally remove the wrong indicator. You can always add it back in the indicators panel at the top of your screen. This whole process takes just a few moments, and as soon as you make your selection, you'll notice your chart instantly getting cleaner and easier to read. Think of it like cleaning off your desk. A little effort can make your entire workflow feel smoother and less stressful. And that's really all there is to it. Just a few clicks and you've got a chart that's ready for your undivided analysis. Sometimes the simplest tweaks can make the biggest difference. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to support the channel. It means a lot. And if you have any questions or maybe there's another TradingView tip you want to learn next, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Finally, make sure to subscribe if you want more straightforward, step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.